Welcome to my quick screencast for AppNitro's MachForm. MachForm is an online form generator or builder. Its simple yet powerful features are suitable for both beginners and pros to build great-looking forms and collect the results in a database. Best of all, prices start from just $39. Installing MachForm is a breeze. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have it up and running within a few minutes. I did it from start to finish in less than 10 minutes, without a single hitch. Once you've installed the software on your server, you can see your own MachForm's control panel login screen. Enter your login details, and you're presented with the form manager. Creating a brand new form on your website is so simple. You can give the form a name and description, but also choose from some extra powerful features, like password protecting, enabling spam protection using the common CAPTCHA system to prevent automated bots from filling in your forms. Another useful feature allows you to capture the IP address of the user, allowing them to only submit one entry for the form. Finally, you can enable a great feature to allow the form to display a review page before the user finally submits their form. After submitting the form, you can simply write what text you want to appear as a success page, or choose your own created web page URL if you prefer. Once complete, you're ready to start adding the various fields that you require in your form, such as text, checkboxes, radio boxes, or drop-downs. MachForm has some special custom elements that have been put together to make your form style look and feel even better, for common items like a person's name or their postal address, for example. For each field added, you can change the label and to decide if you want the answer to be specifically required or not. This prevents users from skipping questions, because MachForm will not allow them to submit the form until they've provided a satisfactory answer. You can optionally add helpful guidelines for the end user too. These guidelines appear when the user hovers their mouse over each form element. For each form field, different specific options may be available, such as the address field, for example, allows you to select the default country that is shown on your form, which is handy if most of your users are from the same country in general. Some fields, such as the email field or the phone number field, have built-in validation rules, such that if a user types in an artificial email address or dummy phone number, they're alerted to this before they can submit the form. If you make a mistake when adding a field, it's no problem. MachForm allows you to easily move elements around the screen to reorder them, or completely remove them at the click of a button. Once you're done adding each form element, you save the form, clicking the Save Form button at the bottom of the page. Your form then appears in your Form Manager control panel, where you can go back and re-edit the form, edit the CSS to change the style of your form, such as colors, fonts, etc. You can also edit the email addresses the form will be sent to upon the user completing their response. Within the email settings, you can customize who receives the messages and what the content of each message is, allowing the end user to receive a different message to the website owner, for example. Once you're done setting up your form, you can embed it quickly and easily in your website by copying the auto-generated code for each form, either using iframes, direct input onto PHP pages, or just simple links. You can view your form from the Form Manager and see exactly how the users will see the form, which is really nicely styled and looks extremely professional. I'll just fill out this form, and then you can see how well everything works. The screen tips pop up to help the user fill out the form, and there's a preview page, if selected previously during setup, to ensure the user is happy with their details. After clicking submit, they finally hit the success page. Once your form has received some submissions, then you start collecting results in your SQL database. You can view the entries simply by click on the Entries button. This table lists all your entries for your form, and you can also go into each record individually to see more details, edit the data, or delete that entry altogether. There are many more features available with MachForm, so go to their website at www.appnitro.com and check out all the features there. At this time, I would say that the only features missing that I would love to see in future, from a personal level, would be multi-page forms and conditional logic. But these are perhaps a little too advanced and might ruin MachForm's simplicity and styling if they were introduced. So I guess it's not a bad thing that they're not included, but perhaps it's something just to be aware of before you purchase. Thanks for following this screencast, which was brought to you by Shoresbear Design.